Best way to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on the Pinterest platform. So let's get into it. Now, first off, you might be wondering, how do you sign up to become a Amazon affiliate? Well, it's a pretty simple process. Now, you're just going to go on to affiliate/program.amazon.com and you can sign up to become an associate. So I already have signed up, but you just need your email address and your password to sign up to become an associate. Now, once you're an associate on Amazon, you might be wondering, how do you get started? How do you promote on Pinterest for Amazon? Now, the first thing you need to know is some of the disqualifying purchases. So if you go onto the associates portal, you're going to find that you have these guidelines as an associate that you should follow. And over here, you're going to have disqualified purchases. So anything that is done via these methods, then you cannot get a commission from that. So you need to make sure that the promotions that you're creating or the words that you're using in your Pinterest post or any other post is prohibited, and you should follow the exact guidelines provided by Amazon. So you can see some of the important things you need to know: that any product purchased by a customer referred to an Amazon site is not an advertisement made from the Amazon platform. So you can't really promote Amazon as the product. And then you also have any product which is purchased as a subscription, unless it is otherwise said that it is an affiliate, is not going to be considered a recurring commission. You also have to take into consideration any kind of item that is present in an event, and then any product purchased through a special link in a mobile application that was not the approved mobile application link. So let's say if you use like URL changer, so you have platforms like urlpreprint.com, and over here you can change the URL for certain items, but if you do that, Amazon is not going to list your purchase as a qualifying purchase. Now, once you understand all of these basic guidelines, you're going to go ahead and start promoting on Pinterest. And the way that you're going to do that is, first off, you're going to go back onto your Amazon portal. You can see you have your product linking, banners, native shopping ads, mobile power, and link to any page. Then you have your idea hub on Amazon as well. So if you are feeling like you're running out of ideas or anything like that, you can go on to your seller account, and then you can see the different options that you have for you to promote on Pinterest. Now, once you go on Pinterest, you're going to have to create your account via your email. So it's pretty simple. I'll just show you guys the sign up process on Pinterest because it is pretty simple. You can even use your Google account or your Facebook account to sign up on Pinterest. Now, you're just going to click on sign up over here, and then you're going to enter your email, password, and age, or you can just continue with Facebook. And once you do that, you're just going to go onto the business section over here on Pinterest.com. And once you go on to the business section, you're just going to click on sign up over here, and you don't have to wait for any approvals for the business account as well. So you might as well just directly create a business account on Pinterest. Now, once you have created your business account on Pinterest, you can go on to your home feed, and the first thing you're going to do is interact with the community. So before you start posting your own pins, you're actually going to have to interact with the community. So let's say that the Amazon product that you have, so if you go on to Amazon and the product that you have to promote is maybe a earring. So let's say you have to promote some jewelry. What you're going to do is go on to Pinterest, you're going to search for necklaces or whatever kind of products you're promoting. I'm just taking the example of jewelry. And we're just going to take a look at the community. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to interact with the people that are already posting about it. So I would just save some posts, and then I would follow. I would save them, follow, and I would also leave comments as well. This is one way to make sure that you seem legitimate. You don't want to be someone that looks like you're only promoting your own stuff and you're not interested in even getting to know other content creators are posting. So you want to make sure that you interact with the community first. Now, after that, you can get started with promoting your own product. So you're going to click on create pin over here, and you can see on Pinterest you have to create these images to upload, and you're going to create those images via Canva. Now, Canva is a great platform for you to create different images for your Amazon affiliates. You're just going to click on custom size over here, change this from pixels into inches, go and add the height and width. I would usually use a 12 by 16 or 12 by 18 canvas for this, and I would open that up. Then what you're going to do is you're just going to go on to your Amazon affiliate item, and then you're going to download the images directly from Amazon. So whatever kind of item it is that you're having to promote, just download the images that you have from Amazon. Then you're just going to go back onto your empty canvas on Canva. Then you're going to go into your upload section, and then you're going to upload the media. So you're going to upload the file or the product picture that you got from Amazon. Now after that, you're just going to go into the element section, and what I like to use is I like to search for stripes like this. And once I have searched for stripes, I'm going to open these up. I'm going to expand these out like this, and then I'm going to change the color like so. And then I'm just going to go back into my element section. I'm going to search for lines. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one and I'm going to expand it like this. So I'm just going to zoom in to see how it's going to really look like up close. And I'm going to turn it vertically like this. Just play around with the different items that you have on Canva until you find a design that you really like. I don't think this really goes well, so I'm going to change this up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and add this instead. These look nice. I'm going to use these, and I'm going to rotate this as well. And I'm just going to search for tape over here on the element section. I'm going to look for something that looks similar to this, where I can just go on to the element section, open this up, and then go on to the see more like this section, but they couldn't find anything similar to this. So I'm just going to use this in different rotations and different sizes to make sure it doesn't look too repetitive. I'm just going to copy this over here. I'm going to search for page on the element section, and then I'm just going to take up this page. Don't send it completely backward, just send it backward, not to the extreme back. I'm going to place these tapes all over the edges. And now I'm just going to take the picture that I uploaded. So let's say I just use this picture. Let's say I have this as my associate product. I would just take this picture and upload it over here. And then I would just download this entire image. You can add some text as well to promote the image, but I would then just download this image that I created on Canva, and I would go on to Pinterest. I would upload this design. I'm just going to upload this over here, and then I'm going to add a title, and the title that you want to add is SEO optimized. So you want to make sure you add as many keywords as you possibly can. So let's say we have clover necklace for women, or then I would add gold plated necklace for women, and you want to use as many words as you possibly can. So you want to make sure that you're using these words as optimally as you possibly can. Then you're going to add a description as well, and obviously in your description you're going to add a few lines about how this is a great product and how this product has been used by you, or you've checked this product out and you really like it. And then you're going to add your destination link. So the destination link is going to be your actual affiliate link that you get from Amazon. You're going to paste that over here, and then you're just going to click on publish. Now you can just click on create board over here, and you can make separate boards for separate type of items. Let's say if you have a consecutive 5 or 6 jewelry items that you have to promote, you can just click on create board and create a board called jewelry, and then all of your jewelry affiliates could be present over there. So you can just do that over here, and then you're just going to click on publish, and this is how easy it is to promote your Amazon products on Pinterest. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.